Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Oculus software on Windows 11 detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Oculus software on Windows 11, start by accessing the Start menu. Click on the Windows icon located in the taskbar. In the search bar at the top, type Settings and select the Settings app from the results. Once in the Settings window, navigate to the Apps section by clicking on it. In the Apps menu, select Apps and Features on the left panel. Scroll through the list of installed applications until you find Oculus software. Click on the Oculus software entry to reveal addition. You will see a button labeled Uninstall. Click on this button. A confirmation dialog will appear asking if you're sure you want to uninstall the software. Click Uninstall again to confirm your choice. The uninstallation process will begin, which may take a few moments. Once the process is complete, you will receive a confirmation that Oculus has been uninstalled. If prompted to restart your computer, it's a good idea to do so for changes to take effect. After the restart, double-check the Apps menu to ensure that Oculus software is no longer listed. Your system should now be free of the Oculus software. For any residual files, you may want to manually check your system folders or use a cleanup tool. That completes the uninstallation process of Oculus software on Windows 11. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.